Welcome friends, in this new video we see an important result regarding the definite integral of sin x between the limit 0 to pi by 2 equal to minus pi by 2 into log 2. So let us first call let I equal to integration 0 to pi by 2 log of sin x into dx. This is our first equation. Now we apply the property 4, that is integration 0 to a f of x into dx equal to integration 0 to a f of a minus x into dx. So this will gives us integration 0 to pi by 2 log of sine of pi by 2 minus x into dx, and we know that integration 0 to pi by 2 log of pi by 2 minus x is a cos x into dx. This is our I. Let us call it as equation number 2. Now adding 1 and 2, if we add 1 and 2, we have 2I equal to integration 0 to pi by 2 log of sin x plus log of cos x into dx. But log a plus log b equal to log ab. Hence this is equal to integration 0 to pi by 2 log of sin x into cos x into dx. Now let us make small adjustment equal to integration 0 to pi by 2 log of 2 into sin x into cos x divided by 2 into dx. But 2 into sin theta cos theta equal to 2 sin theta. Hence we have now integration 0 to pi by 2 log of sin 2x divided by 2 into dx. Again log of a by b equal to log a minus log b. Integration 0 to pi by 2 log of sin 2x into dx minus integration 0 to pi by 2 log of 2 into dx. Okay, so this is equal to here in this first integral, let us put 2x equal to theta in first we put 2x equal to theta, 2 into dx equal to d theta. Okay, so whenever x equal to 0, theta is also equal to 0. When x equal to pi by 2, theta equal to pi. Therefore this 2I equal to, this integral will convert into 0 to pi log of sin theta into dx means 1 by 2 d theta, and minus here log 2 is constant and integration of dx is x. So log of 2 into x between the limit 0 to pi by 2. Now friend, let us evaluate the first integral, and let us apply the property number 6 of the definite integral. 2I equal to, we have now integration 1 by 2 0 to pi log of sin theta d theta minus log 2 into pi by 2 minus 0 equal to, here what is the property number 6? Property number 6 is whenever we have integration like this, integration 0 to 2a f of x into dx equal to, this gives two part, integration 0 to a twice 0 to a f of x into dx. This is when f of 2a minus x equal to f of x, right? So here you can see that sine 2 into pi by 2 minus theta equal to 2 into pi by 2, that is sine pi minus theta. Sine pi minus theta, sine pi into cos theta minus cos pi into sine theta. Sine pi is 0, cos pi is minus 1. So we have sine theta, right? And hence by property 6, this integration, this is 1 by 2 into twice integration 0 to pi by 2 log of sine of theta into d theta and minus here pi by 2 into log of 2. Again it is independent of variables, 2 get cancel. Integration 0 to pi by 2 log of sine of x into dx minus pi by 2 into log of 2, right? But this is what? This is I, hence this value is a 2i minus I equal to minus pi divided by 2 into log of 2. So this is the proof of this important result on log of sine x. Let us apply this result to prove one problem on this result. Suppose we want to evaluate integration 0 to pi by 2 theta divided by sine theta whole square into d theta. This is equal to integration 0 to pi by 2 theta square and 1 divided by sine theta square cosec square theta into d theta. Let us apply the product rule. This is my first function, this is my second function. First function theta square into integration of second is minus cot theta between the limit 0 to pi by 2 minus integration of derivative of the first into integration of second minus cot theta into d theta. Okay, cot pi by 2 means cos theta divided by sin theta. Cos pi by 2 is a 0, therefore this value gives us a 0. At pi by 2 it is 0, at 0 theta, due to this theta it is also 0, and hence we have this minus and minus become plus 2 into integration 0 to pi by 2 theta into cot theta into d theta. Again 2 into integration theta into integration of this cot theta log of sine theta between the limit 0 to pi by 2 minus integration 0 to pi by 2 derivative of the first 1 and integration of second log of sine theta into d theta. Here sine pi by 2 equal to 1, but log of 1 equal to 0. So first part, at the upper limit we have 0 and lower limit we have also 0. Then we have minus 2 into integration 0 to pi by 2 log of sine theta into d theta. But minus 2 into log of sine theta into log of sine theta is minus pi by 2 into log of 2. We have proved this result. 2 get cancel, minus become plus, and we have pi into log of 2. Hence integration of this is pi into log of 2.
Hello guys, thank you for watching video.